Hi everyone, this is second lecture on how to think of form in architecture design, and in this video we'll be learning about how you can make different forms when you are designing a project and how to think about pavilion design and include that in your design.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Careers. And this channel, if you are new to channel, please hit that subscribe button and welcome to the channel. So we deal with modern careers and their tutorials. We deal with all sort of design fields including architecture, interior design, graphic design, UX UI design, all sort of design fields. Then we are going to discuss about architecture and planning, art, and creative and skill based careers are on our top list, and how you can make a career out of design or in creative fields is all about the channel. So let's begin the topic.
So guys, we are looking about how to think about form in architecture, as form plays very important role in architecture design, anything we are designing. So these things are most important things you should be looking after while you design a project. One is your wall, which includes windows and doors in it. So last time we saw how we can think differently about a wall that gets in the air and light, right? So this is the another way we are thinking of roof and columns in today's video. So what if you haven't watched this last video, I highly recommend you please go and check out that video. Link is in the description. Uh, and what is most important, the next thing is column and a roof, how your roof looks. So what combines this is a structure called pavilion. Pavilion structure is consisting of a columns and a roof, which will be used as a seating area in the gardens and lawns. But the basic structure it consists of is a columns and roof. That's all. It doesn't has any. It won't be having any wall, right? But it will make you feel good when you go and sit out in that area, or you can hang out in that area. There can be different sort of very different sort of pavilions, right? But why can we just think about simple columns and a straight roof? We can make some different choices, right? We can make it like go like a flower. It can go out like a mushroom tree, and columns like go like a mushroom stem, and the mushroom flower can become your roof, right? We can think of such sort of structure. That's what I'm giving you example here. Look, there is a Japanese temple which is in the pavilion structure. In India also there are many temples which hold some part of a temple which are like in a pavilion way, right? The bull sits in a pavilion in most of the South Indian temples. Then there are structures which are covered with the glass doors and glass sliding windows, which can also act as a pavilion. Then their pavilion just can go stand like on a tiny roof. You just go and check out. Most common pavilions we see is like a bus stops or petrol bunks. They are pavilion structures. They have roof, they have columns to support them, and they look elegant. So these structures, pavilion structures, give us an idea how to think about a form. So we all do this exercise of thinking about a pavilion that holds very different activities, right? So let's understand. We can design many pavilions. Try to design it yourself. Go through Google and Pinterest, see how they are, and try what you can do different in it and make your design, right? Then there are pavilion structures where bicycle riders use the pavilion structures. There are pavilions in the beaches. I highly recommend you checking out all the Serpentine Gallery pavilions, which are designed by famous architects. This will really help you when you will think about your architecture design. You can include part of these designs in your form, right? So that's why we all have this pavilion exercise. I hope this video helped you. If yes, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching till now. In the upcoming video, I'll be coming with many more examples, concept development and architectural design sources. So please hit that subscribe button for that. Thank you.